Welcome to the ET420 PIC Mechatronics board segmented LCD lab demo part B. Okay, it wants us to modify LCD Mech 2 in order to display 74.3. So let's go ahead and open up LCD Mech 2 and modify it. Let's open up a new project and our second file. So microchip embedded. Standalone next, and we could go up here to recently used and go to our 917, our ICD3 and our XC8, and let's go ahead and call this one PIC LCD 2 and finish. Again, let's go down to source file, add existing file, and let's pick LCD2 and open it. And so let's go ahead and run it and see how it looks. And here's our original display. Okay, our display said 3.1, so this would be the far right digit, and B and C would light up and be a 1. So N2, we're going to go up here to where we define it, and that's going to be 2 based on those digits. And digit 3 is going to be N3, and it is going to be 3. Good. And the very last one here is going to be ohm, and here we're calling subroutines. Okay, and these are just different ways of displaying it. Here we're doing each element separately. Here we're just moving digits, and we're doing the same thing. We're moving digits, just different way of doing it. This is masking, and it's just a different way of doing it. So we're going to continuously display digit 1, 2, and 3, and let's go ahead and modify it here in a second. Okay, it wants us to do 74.3. So let's do 3 first. So we need F and E off. And let's go ahead and do that. Okay, here we're back at our digit 1, and we wanted a 3. So we got a 1. And we want E and F to be zeros. And that should work. Okay, the next digit it wants is a 4, so let's go ahead, instead of changing this, let's go ahead and reuse this. Okay, so N2, and let's go ahead, and for 4 we need to come back. Let's go ahead and let's modify the next one too. So we got N3, and that's supposed to be a 7, so let's go ahead and do the same thing. Okay, so we want a 7, so let's go take a look at our chart. So our next digit is 4, so let's just do F, B, C, F, and G will be on. Okay, so let's do 4. So we have BC. Okay, there's B and C, D and E. So F and G are on, B and C, F and G, and the decimal point is off. So good, that looks good. Let's go ahead and do, okay, let's do 7. Looks like an easy one. A, B, and C. Good. Okay, for 7, we need A, B, and C. Let's get rid of that one, and that should be 7. So let's go all the way down here, and we need A. So let's go ahead and go back up here and see if we could find our A for amps. SA. Okay, that looks good. Let's, oh, we got a decimal point. So we need a decimal point, 74.3. So we need it between 1 and 2. So let's go up here and grab our decimal point, digits 1 and 2. So let's grad S2DP. Go back and add it within our braces. Paste equals 1 to turn it on. Oops. Semicolon. Just call it DP. Good, so let's run it, test it. Here's our modified display, 74.3 amps. Perfect.